All right, hi guys. Today I'm going to try to teach you how to use one of these here motion sensors to do an experiment, and I'm going to try to project what you see up there. Probably not going to work. But basically, you go to Spark View, you recognize this. We do the Bluetooth thing, we get the thing in there. I've already done this. So, sorry, I'm clumsy. I'm trying to hold this camera and do everything. If you click over here on the Y-axis, you can check what you're going to measure. We're measuring position. You can also, if you want, you can measure velocity. You'll do both of those in today's lab, but we're starting on position. And it's quite simple. I'll get rid of that data. Really, this is the thing right here, and this little screen in front, you just point that at what you want. Now you can either have this set still and have things move toward it and back, but it's got to be a big target for this to see. So sometimes an easier way to do this is just for you to hold on to it and just walk toward and away from a wall. So watch this. I'm going to hit start. Nothing's happening. All right. And if I take this, and sorry, if I go up and down, you can see it measures how far away I am from the table. So similarly, you can kind of put it on yourself and just hold it, and you can walk. I'm just holding it in front of me, and I'm going to walk toward the screen, away from the screen, toward the screen, away from the screen. So this presents a little bit of a problem when you see all this crazy data, these big spikes that are going on up here. That's because it lost what it was shooting. So you gotta be really careful to make sure this thing can see what you're aiming at. So that's what you're doing. Then you're gonna take a look at those graphs. Yours will look better than this. A good one should look like this. Let's get rid of that. Let's start it again. I'm gonna lay this right flat. So it's like that. Hit start. I hear it clicking now. And now as I take this and go up and down, it should be nice and smooth. None of those weird spiky things. So notice I'm just doing this and that. I'm gonna move it over so it's on the floor, and I just go up and down relative to the floor, and it's got a higher position. So that's really what you're doing in today's lab. All right, thank you.